There are moments in life when a battle chooses you. Moments you never asked for, never expected, never prepared for. Something shows up at your door, uninvited, unexpected, and unavoidable. And suddenly you're standing in the middle of a fight you didn't start. Life isn't always gentle. Life isn't always fair. Some of you are walking through the hardest season you've ever known. A season where the weight feels heavy, the nights feel long, and the answers feel far away. But the real question is not, why is this happening? The real question is, how will I respond? Life will test you. Life will stretch you. Life will push you to the edge. But even when it's hard, life is still worth fighting for. It's worth believing in yourself. It's worth giving yourself another chance. It's worth standing back up even when your legs are shaking. You are stronger than you think, and you've survived too much to doubt yourself now. There are challenges that bring fear, stress, and anxiety. There are moments that make your heart race and your mind spin. But even in the middle of the storm, remember this truth. The real battle is not around you, the real battle is inside you. Feeling fear doesn't mean you have to live afraid. Feeling doubt doesn't mean you have to surrender. Feeling discouraged doesn't mean you have to stay down. Your words shape your world. Your voice builds your future. If you speak defeat, you will live defeated. If you speak failure, you will walk like a failure. If you speak hopelessness, you will feel hopeless. But if you speak life, strength, courage, and resilience, you will rise. When a negative thought tries to take over, answer it with a stronger truth. When your mind whispers, I can't, speak out loud, I will. When your heart says, I'm tired, respond with, I'm not done. When your fear says, stop, tell it I'm still moving. A righteous person may fall 7 times, but they rise 8. You may bend, but you will not break. You may stumble, but you will not stay down. Skill won't always carry you. Talent won't always save you, but heart, grit, and resilience will take you further than anything else. Pain is temporary. Pain is loud, but it doesn't last forever. You are bigger than your pain. You are stronger than what hurt you. You are greater than what tried to break you. And remember, this is not the first time you've cried. Not the first time you felt lost. Not the first time you didn't see a way out. Not the first time your heart was broken. Not the first time you were scared. Not the first time you were short on money, short on hope, or short on strength. You've been here before and you made it through. You will make it through again. This chapter will not be the end of your story. You will outlast this moment. You will rise from this season. You will live to tell the story of how you survived what was meant to break you. Every burden you carry has a hidden blessing inside it. Every struggle is shaping you. Every setback is preparing you. Every challenge is building you. But you only discover the blessing if you refuse to quit. You're going to get up. You're going to get dressed. You're going to step out into the world and do what you were created to do. You're going to become everything you were meant to become. And you will prove every doubter wrong, not with your words, but with your results. If you feel empty, show up anyway. If you feel tired, show up anyway. If you feel broken, show up anyway. Half of success is refusing to disappear. Don't give up, don't give in, push through it, work through it. Because on the other side of this pain is a reward, strength, clarity, pride, and a version of you that you haven't even met yet. Pain is temporary, but who you become because of it, that lasts forever.